Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Always. In this video, I'm going to be covering 5 apps that really made my life easier, helped me get organized, and really cut those extra steps that I used to take to complete a single task. These apps vary from productivity to entertainment. So let's start with Infuse. Infuse is a media player. Using Infuse is a beautiful way to watch almost any video format on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. There's no need to convert files. Infuse is optimized for Apple devices with powerful streaming option, track sync, AirPlay, and subtitle support. It supports a variety of formats including MKV. You can stream from other services such as Mac, PC, NAS, Jellyfin, MB, even cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive. Many others as well. It supports full playback of 4K with HD and Dolby Vision. I use mine as a front-end media player. I've got a Plex server, so instead of using the Plex app, I prefer using this because it's got a better interface and it doesn't transcode videos. Currently it's only available for tvOS, iOS and iPadOS. There's a new version coming out, version 7, and that's going to be available on Mac as well. Second app, Mojo. If you like posting a lot on social media, especially on Instagram, then you need to get this app because you can create some amazing stories, amazing content, and then publish that on Instagram. You're able to schedule or set a reminder for when you want the story to go out, and this is by far the best feature. This way you can plan stories and not stress about forgetting to post. You can pay monthly £9.99 or pay for the year, which I recommend. That will cost you £29.99. App number 3, Step 2, is one of the best up there, especially if you have a lot of accounts with 2-step authentication. Its friendly and intuitive design makes 2-step verification easy to use. It comes with Safari extension and also an iCloud backup. You can set up 10 free accounts, just download the app and you're good to go. If you want any more than 10, then you have to pay £9.99 one-off fee, and then you can add as many as you want. The best thing about it is that it's also got an Apple Watch app, and because I'm working from home, or because most people work from home, you're not always going to have your phone next to you, and this is where it comes handy. You can just log in, especially when you want to just log into your Instagram, Citrix, or any other two-factor authentication enabled site. You don't need to have different authenticators installed on your mobile phone or on your watch. You just need that one, and then all the accounts appear on there, which is really a time saver. App number 4, mymind. I absolutely love this app. I was one of the lucky ones to get an early access. Basically, every time you find something you want to remember, you just save it to mymind. You don't need to waste time organizing or categorize everything that you put in there. The app does that for you. You can save pretty much any format other than music and video. I quite literally dump stuff on here which I know I will eventually want to remember but won't remember at that moment. So I can check in my mind and search tag and I'll get the results. You can add your meme collection or your quotes. There's no rules really. If you are interested, there's a link in the description below. All you got to do is just sign up and then just wait until the developer gives you access. And finally, the app that really got me organized is Notion. This app really helps me with content creation, setting goals, meeting deadlines, including this video. You can see that all my notes and what I want to cover in this video is here. Notion is like the all-in-one workspace for tasks, notes, wikis, and even databases. All you need to do is sign up and download the app, and it's free for personal use. As simple as that. It has a bunch of templates you can use or you can create from scratch, and the whole point of this is to keep you and your teams connected. I use it at a basic level, but there's so much more you can do. There's plenty of videos on Notion by other YouTubers, but I highly recommend you go check out Ali Abdul's video on Notion. He covers it in depth and gives you the whole insight about templates and databases and all sorts. Really good video. I hope these apps are as helpful to you as they are to me. If you did like this video, then go check out what's on my iPhone and what's on my Mac, because there's some other apps on there that I haven't covered in here that you might be interested in. The link of those will be in the description below, or you can click on the link above. For now, see you in the next video. Peace.